Downloading your account data from PlayStation can help you keep a record of your gaming history and preferences. Follow these steps to easily download your account data. Step 1. Sign into your PlayStation account. Visit the PlayStation website and sign in using your account credentials. Make sure to use the same account that you want to download data from. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen under your profile icon. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Find Data Download option. In the Account Settings menu, look for section labeled Privacy or Data Management. Within this section, you should find an option for downloading your account data. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Select Data Types. You will be presented with various types of data you can download, such as game history, purchase history, and account settings. Select the types of data you wish to download by checking the appropriate boxes. Step 5. Confirm and download. After selecting the data types, confirm your choices and initiate the download process. You may receive a confirmation email once the data is ready. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the download. By following these steps, you can successfully download your account data from PlayStation. This can be useful for keeping track of your gaming experiences and preferences.